Put the bricks in that attic, hold the fence, ain't watching. Sniper on the roof, fuck, niggas plotting. She spoiled rotten, she got chickens in her stocking. FN on my side, this a hot pocket. To the top of the stairs, that feeling, I'm feeling like put me milling. Slow to the shit in my city, the door, the 100, the 50. Go nigga back then, take a visit. I did it, blow mommy, fed me that shit. I'm feeling like please wait, won't fuck with me. But that nigga Orlando, finesse them with oregano. I just go blues club, that's the game, fool. Remember when he was on top in high school? I remember that. Reality hitting, I roll up the one of my attic. Bricks in that attic, hold the fence, ain't watching. Sniper on the roof, fuck, niggas plotting. She spoiled rotten, she got.
When you get high, you forget the vlog. But Frankie came by, got his 91 fucking Dodge Chrysler
Super clean in here.
Spirit Turbo. I'm about to take it for a little. Coming in? Yeah, you double recording. Double fisting.
Let me get safety first. It's a 90s car.
Damn it, idle's pretty good. This was sitting here. 5-speed? Yeah. Wow, that's smooth. The fuck? Yeah, I'm not even giving no gas. That's all clutch. Front wheel drive? Front wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get Frankie over so he can work on this thing.
Yeah, this is a cool little unique.
Little project.
Yeah.
Right? He's I don't know if you know Frankie.
I don't think I met him yet.
He real big in the bass.
Ooh. It pulls pretty good.
Wow, that sounds cool.
Motherfucker's stupid.
Ooh, about 8 pounds there. Not bad.
Matt would get smoked.
You would already put a deck in here.
That's hilarious.
This thing's clean for it.
It
Look at all
is.
the like trim. It's like. I like her little come down and turn around.
I know.
That's so cool.
This sounds good. Never.
Oh, my sand looked that tough. Fireworks? Still?
Right there.
Oh,
Still got
damn.
some. I still got some left in the car too. Yep.
I got some black cats at home. Dig? Woo! And right, it's a 4K. It comes alive. Oh my god.
Wow. Fourth gear is crazy.
It's fucking crazy.
Wow. Fourth gear had a lot to it.
Fourth gear was climbing.
Oh, there's some clutch. Or is that brake? He did say they're brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah, fourth gear has some stank to it.
Water pump is pretty good. Some stank on you. Dude, that.
He let the wrong person to drive his car.
We should do a segment and drive people's cars.
Huh.
Blow them up. And
Yeah.
then, like, surprise them with a rebuild. Would we get, like, rigs?
That'd be great.
Right? That'd be cool in series,
Go,
wouldn't it?
just, yeah.
Say, let me drive your car. And he yank the hell out of
And
it.
just fucking beat the shit out of it.
Pull up with him. Give him.
I don't know what happened.
Like, surprise, we're giving it a full rebuild. Any engine you want.
Oh, man.
Right? Oh, it's definitely gapping you.
Yeah, 100%.
100%.
What do you think?
Nice. Not bad. Where's the e-brake? Was there an e-brake in this?
Right there on the side. You
Oh,
gotta stop.
foot
Oh,
brake?
it's a foot brake.
Oh. Yeah, we should have tried that. I'll put it in gear. There it is. You already put a deck in it, or was this deck already in it?
Yeah.
Oh, it was already in it? Hey, you got some dick in here? Not bad. It's got 133,000. 133,333 right now.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
1333 repeating.
You're about to go get a lotto ticket. Inception.
Like it looked like it was fucking moving, then no. And I changed thermostat,
Yeah.
all that. So still think it could be left as a water pump.
Yeah. You do compression tests. That'll tell you if a head gasket or not.
You figured you see coolant though.
Yeah, but you mean oil in the coolant?
No.
Or coolant in the you can blow a head gasket just on a coolant passage.
When I flushed it,
Yeah. There would be no oil, it would just be coolant. It's just part of that head gasket sucking in air. That could be air.
I just don't know. At 130K and it was only barely driven. I don't think the head gasket would have gave out because we just barely started driving now. They had everything. They only drove 66 miles a fucking goddamn month. That's how it breaks down to. But they're not mechanically inclined either, so there's that.
He's giving a full life story over there.
Caking.
There, look at the Capitol in the back. Nice. Well, we have Saturday night cruise nights. Pretty dead. We kind of came late, but we're here. We're here. Probably gonna bust a lap or two. Meet up with Everdick.
Ever.
And then,
Is there something at Maverick?
I don't know. I asked him where they were. He said they were here. They pulled out. I was like, dude, we just got here.
Food truck over there, what they say?
What's they selling? Where? The food truck over there? Don't matter. But we're gonna bust a few laps and we'll get back with ya. Look at this fool. This fool's fucking falling in love. Love Island.
Let's let him do his thing.
We cruising right now. About to hatch out. Y'all know that. Just Matty boy. Matty boy. Junior and his brother behind us. Homie in the CRV, can't remember his name. He's behind us. It's just
Like,
running good, probably. My shit run a little bit hot. But we are at the Maverick.
I got that quick release Honda symbol.
Quick release. It's accurate now. Getting some gas. Probably gonna take another lap or two.
Oh, that's that.
And then probably head back to the shop. Might go out tonight. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that.
Got tired of reeing up and trapping. Now a nigga sick of rapping. All of this shit just too basic. My past, I wish I could erase it. My bitch asked what I wanna do. Running from the laws in the coop. They bite everything that I do. Smoke a blunt and eat me some shrooms. Living in hell right here on earth. All I do is get high and work. Baby, what you doing on the first? She looked at me and cracked a smirk.
boys want me to go out and have a beer, so I don't know. We'll see. Might go home and change my clothes. I don't know. I'll holler at y'all. See you at the shop. But damn, she's back. Little 12 pounder, and we'll get to the shop. Hey, for the vlog, you gonna lose. You gonna die. Oh, did you do that? I did that on purpose. You didn't do that. Oh, right there. I did that on purpose. It's a runner. Yep. I wanna be devil right here. That one down there?
You don't even have the camera over there.
Downtown. Ready? Downtown. No! Shit. Oh, I bet that's gonna look cool on the camera, dude. That's gonna look cool.
Come on, man.
Yeah!
Damn, you're not in kitchen.
You said I could put it fucking anywhere.
You gotta be in kitchen.
You can't be in kitchen and ball in hand on same game. It's either one or the other.
Well, if he didn't.
What is it?
If he didn't hit a ball, it's open kitchen or fucking open hand.
Open kitchen. It's ball in hand.
Ball in hand,
All
right?
right, I guess.
That is our game.
I'll even get it back by the fucking kitchen. Yeah, bud.
You're in mid-session.
Is that right? That's right. That's right. Oh my god. Fuck it.
Right there. Let me go ahead and finish this on out. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I thought it was gonna miss it over here.